Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to this new video. So in today's episode, I'll be showing you the companies that will send you free samples directly to your mail for absolutely no cost. And for those of you who don't know me yet, I'm Tebit Kelly, a content creator from the tutorials team, and I'll be your host in today's video. So without any further ado guys, let's end this tutorial. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. Right, so the first company we'll be talking about today is SampleSource. So SampleSource, first starting with their motto, is something that got me intrigued because according to what they say, you try before you buy and make smart shopping decisions. So you should already understand what they actually mean by this. So actually mean that you will get to try whatever product that you're interested in before purchasing it in exchange of giving free reviews. Okay, so you can get products such as free samples from makeup, beauty, care, household cleaning, and even food and snacks from this company or website. So what you want to do first is to visit this website, SampleSource.com. I'll drop the link to this website in the video description. So once you visit the website, you should be shown this page where you'll be asked to select your country and language. As for now, this is only available in 2 countries, that's in North America, Canada, and the USA. So you just want to select the country from where you are accessing the platform. So just select it just as so, and then you should be taken to the official site of your region. Now from here, what you want to do is to just click on this become a member, and then you want to go through the steps that are outlined here, which includes registering a free account, answering a few profile questions that will let them decide which product is fit for your profile, and then from there you will receive samples that match your profile. It is as easy as that. That's it. That's all. Pretty easy, don't think you. So just click on this register now to head on to the registration page. Here is where you'll be asked to provide your personal information. Again, this information will be used by them to access your account and see whether it's eligible for, or to determine which product is actually a good fit for your account. You will understand this in the next step. So what you want to do is to fill in the information here. So after filling in your information, you want to go through it, make sure that everything is accurate, and then you just click on this next button at the bottom of the screen. So from here, you will need to answer a few more questions as I explained earlier. Okay, so let's click on this continue. If you want, you can read through the text. We need to know a bit about who you are, your lifestyle, and what interests you. This helps us make sure find products that you may be interested in trying for you or your household. So just click on this continue. You want to make sure you provide accurate details about these questions asked about you or your pet or even your household in a word. And once you're sure about the questions or the answers you've provided, you just want to click on this next button right here, which should take you to this page. Okay, so the last step that you need to take is to verify your email address. You can verify your email address by the email you receive in your email box, and then you just want to click on the link there to verify email address. The process is typically instant and should get you verified right away. So after verifying your email address, you just want to log into your account with the email and password you provided earlier. This should take you to this page. Okay, once you've logged into your account, you should see something just as this sold out, which means that there are currently no samples that match your profile at the moment. If you see something else there, then it means that there are profiles or that there are products that match your profile and that you can quickly request for and get them right in your mail for absolutely no cost. So if you're just seeing this as I am right now, you just want to exercise some patience for them to identify products or samples that match your profile, and this should be in no time. So the next platform here is ProductSamples. ProductSamples is just more like the previous one where you have to request products, and in exchange you need to provide free reviews for these free products. Okay, so after receiving the product, what you will be required from them is to provide a free review. Okay, so what you want to do is to just come to this ProductSamples website. I've dropped the link equally in the video description. So you just want to click on this join it's free button right here, and then from here you want to select your region. Okay, right now it is only live in 2 countries or regions, which are the United Kingdom and the United States. As for France, Germany, and the rest of the world, it is coming soon, as they say, because if you just click on this rest of the world, you should see something like we yet to launch in your country. So you just want to go back to that page and make sure that you select a country where it is live right away. So in my case, I'll select the United States, and from here you just want to provide your full name, email address, phone number, which is optional, and then you just sign up. So after clicking on the create account button, you just want to select your date of birth and your gender, okay, and then you want to proceed to this continue. Now you should be taken to this page where you ask your mail info. Where should we send your samples to? You just want to scroll right here, and then you enter your house number and street address, apartment number and zip code. Okay, so after you've entered your house number and street address, zip code, town, city, district, you just want to click on this continue button right here. Okay, so now you will need to check all of these email preferences. Okay, it is somewhat optional, but I recommend that you check all of them. Okay, yeah, stuffs like this, you just want to receive updates from them about any product or sample that might match your preferences, and then you just click on this continue button. Great. So the next step now will be to verify your email address. You just want to check your email box to make sure that your email is verified. Let me do that real quick. So after verifying your profile, the message that was up here, which is this one, should actually disappear from your profile. Okay, now you need to look at the most important things. Your profile helps us match with you with samples we think you love. Your sampling profile is 0% complete as of now, and there is a reason for that. You see, also very unlikely to receive a sample box. So what you need to do here is to select a category or a category of product that you think that is going to be a good fit for your account. As for me, I can select here health and fitness. Okay, so on average, how regularly do you exercise? Something somewhat 4 to 7 times a week. At the gym, at home, anywhere, you just select. Okay, at home is going to work best because they might send you products that might help you work out at home as well, because at the gym you can't carry along the products. At the gym it doesn't make sense because the gym is already equipped with everything. Now, how important is a healthy diet to you? Very important. Do you take health supplements or vitamins? Something somewhat yes. How often do you eat energy bars? I can say often, just to increase the chances of me getting products that are related to this. What type of protein powder do you use? Okay, I can use something such as the plant-based. Then you just click on this continue. Great, you can see that your sampling profile has gone up to 10% complete. Okay, and to increase your chances again, you have different categories here that you can choose from. You can go to household or general. How often do you buy cleaning supplies? Often. Do you or anyone in your household have sensitive skin or allergies? You can say yes or no. No for my answer. Are you interested in home decor or decorating? Yes. Are you interested in gardening? Of course. Which of these household cleaning products do you use? Okay, hammer, Windex, flash stuff. You can just select anything of your liking. You can even go on to selecting as many as you can to increase your chances as well. So I just click on this continue. You can see that the progress has gone on to 18% complete. Okay, so you just need to take on the other steps here to increase your chances of getting sample boxes. So I just took a little bit of my time to increase the profile here, the profile score. Now I'm at 54% complete, and you can see likely to receive a sample box. Okay, you can see the progress bar as well. And if you take a look at the sample boxes that I've selected, or the categories that I selected, you have general, fitness that we did earlier, household, and travel and holidays. You can select from 21 plus more, or even any product that or any category that you're interested in, and then you wait for them to send you your products. So thanks to the email preferences that we selected earlier, there's a great chance for you to receive sample boxes as long as you're located in any of the regions and that the mailing address that you provided is actually valid. Okay, so once they find a product that matches your profile, they should obviously contact you to test the product and give an honest review of it, which will involve them sending you the free sample for you to write a review in exchange and decide on whether you can buy the actual product or not. It is just on your choosing. So the next company that we'll be talking about is PINCHme. Most of you have already heard of this website already, which is why I kept it at this position, because it is somewhat already crowded. So what you want to do with this website is that what you need to understand with them is that they work just as the other websites that I mentioned earlier, but since this one has been established for long as compared to the other ones, you will have fewer chances of receiving sample boxes from them. But anyway, it is still one of the reliable sources where you can get free samples from. So once you visit the website, link provided in the video description, you just want to click on this become a pincher, which should take you to the sign up page. Okay, again, you need to be located in the United States to get exclusive products for this PINCHme, from this PINCHme. You want to provide your first name, last name, email address, and then you continue next, where you have to provide more of your personal information to increase your chances to get free sample boxes directly to your mail. Okay, it works just as the other website. It isn't complicated to use, and you can see it works just in 4 steps. First, you receive a free product to try every day, apply for multiple products at once, and earn PINCHme points for express shipping. Okay, and in return you share feedback and write reviews, honest reviews to be precise, because if you give reviews of items that actually aren't the fit for it, you won't be getting more free items from them. So you need to give an honest review. In fact, your experience, don't copy from others. That's just the secret with increasing your chances of getting more and more free samples from websites like PINCHme. So the next and probably the last company that I'll be talking about is BzzAgent. BzzAgent is one of the reliable companies that will let you get free products from top brands. When I'm talking of top brands, I mean brands like L'Oreal, Lancome, Conab, Armani, Hummel, and many more. Okay, and it works just in 3 steps. First, you need to tell about your interest, as we saw earlier with the first 2 websites. Then you get invited to try products perfect for you, and after, you share your experience. One thing you need to know about this site is that you won't be getting product instantly upon sign up. No, none of these sites does this, by the way. You need to sign up first, and then you make sure that you turn on all email preferences in your account to get the latest products from them that match your profile. Also, you need to also check your email boxes just in case you have missed something from any of these sites. And after that, you need to share your review or your experience with the product. So that is what this BzzAgent is all about as well. It is very easy. What you want to do is to go to this sign up page, and then you provide your first name, last name, email address, as I showed you with PINCHme earlier. After you've provided all of that, you just want to click on register, select products that are good fit for your profile, and then you wait on them to send you invitation to try this product. So guys, those were the best platforms, or let me say companies, that will send you free samples directly to your mail without you having to pay anything. Probably with most of these sites you have to pay the shipping fee, which I think isn't something that much, especially for something you're receiving for free. So you can say that the catch is actually the shipping fee, but I don't see it as a catch. By the way, most of them also will let you order these free samples without even having to pay the shipping fee. They are absolutely free companies that send you free samples for absolutely no cost, and I've made a video on this. You want to check it in the video description and at the top right corner of your screen. So guys, we've come to the end of our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss our upcoming content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.